To optimize your Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by understanding the basics of a traditional IRA. A traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds in retirement. First, review your contribution limit to ensure you are maximizing your annual contributions. For the current year, you can contribute up to a certain amount to your traditional IRA, and this amount may be adjusted annually for inflation. Next, consider your investment options within Wealthfront. Wealthfront offers a range of low-cost index funds and ETFs, which can help you diversify your portfolio and minimize fees. Allocate your contributions across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to create a diversified portfolio. Now, focus on tax optimization. Since traditional IRA contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, it's essential to consider the tax implications of your investments. Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature can help you minimize taxes by selling losing positions to offset gains from other investments. Another key aspect is rebalancing your portfolio. As your investments grow, your portfolio may become unbalanced, which can increase your risk. Wealthfront offers automatic rebalancing, which ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your target allocation. Finally, take advantage of Wealthfront's financial planning tools to create a comprehensive retirement plan. These tools can help you determine how much you need to save for retirement, estimate your retirement income, and create a sustainable withdrawal strategy. By following these steps and utilizing Wealthfront's features, you can optimize your traditional IRA and create a solid foundation for your retirement savings. Remember to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your retirement goals.